everybody. My name is KHOLILAH PUTRI SYAFITA. I am a student of MTsN 9 Boyolali. Here, I want to tell you about a great story by the title, The Crying Stone. Okay, listen carefully. Once upon a time, in a small village in Boreal Island, there lived a mother and her daughter. The daughter was popular among villagers because of her beautiful face, but she has bad behavior. She always spent her time in front of the mirror admiring her beautiful face. She never helped her mother to fulfill their daily needs. The daughter always made her mother sad. However, the mother still loved her very much. One day, the girl asked her mother, "Hello, Mom. Buy me a new gown, please." "Oh, my dear, I want to buy it, but I have no money." The mother refused. "You lie me. I know you have much money." The girl insulted. Because her mother loved her so much, she finally bought her a new gown. And then, both went to the market. The girl said, "Please walk behind me, Mom. I'm embarrassed if we walk together. I don't want people to see it. Where is my umbrella?" "Here it is." The mother passed the umbrella to her daughter. "Okay, Mom, let's go. Just walk behind me." Once again, because of her love, the mother obeyed the daughter's request. Along the way home, the daughter still walked in front of her mother. People passing asked, "Hi girl, who is walking behind you?" "She is my servant," answered the girl. The mother kept silent, but inside her deep heart, she prayed to God to punish her daughter. Suddenly, her daughter's legs turned into stone. The daughter realized that it was because she had hurt her mother's feeling. She begged to her mother, "Oh, my Mom, please forgive me. Oh, what happened with my body? Mom, please help me, help me, help me." Slowly, her body also turned into stone. Then she had become a stone. The tears were still seen. It was why the stone was called Batu Menangis. Okay, my lovely audiences, that is my story. I wish that you enjoyed it, and we can catch the message from this story that we have to respect and obey to our parents by making them happy and never hurt your parents' feelings. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.